Hey, what's going on? This is Alex from LRTech, and today I'll show you how to replace spark plugs on BMW 428i. The procedure would be pretty much the same for any BMW equipped with N20 and N26 engines. First of all, we have to take out this plastic cover. In some cases you can find vacuum lines located right here on the cover. Simply disconnect those lines and remove the cover. Using a screwdriver, disconnect ignition coils. Take them out. That's it. In order to replace spark plugs, you have to use 14mm special socket. I'll leave the links in the description below, so check them out. And let's take them out. That's the first one. It's original spark plug from BMW. The regular maintenance for spark plugs is 60,000 miles. I'm using NGK OEM Spark plugs. Okay, let's put it back. That's it. Let's do the other. Oh, this is done. Okay. I'm using small extensions and it works just fine. that's the last one. That's it. Okay, it's time to put ignition coils back. First one in. Last one. That's it. Put the cover back, just slide into those spots and then push it. That's it. That's it, guys. If this information was helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe for more BMW DIYs. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.